Puppies are starting to get their legs. Starting to be able to move around a little bit. Hi guys. Oh, here comes Mama Dog. Cute little puppy, Stella. Oh, look at these guys. They're starting to learn how to walk. Are they hungry? What about this one, Stella? Hi, little guy. All your brothers and sisters are over this way. Stella, I don't think that one has its eyes open yet. Doesn't know which way to go. Oh, and here's its brothers and sisters. Is it gonna make it? Oh, it's making it, Stella. You gonna let them all have some doggy food down there? Okay. There they go. Everybody's gonna get to eat something. Stella, good girl. Good girl, cleans all the babies.